I'm going to show you a couple different tools that will automate that whole process. What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Pat Harris and I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller. On my channel, I share tips that help with my own Amazon business so they could help others out as well. I also share additional streams of income that I earn online, whether it's options trading, stock trading, affiliate marketing. So if you like this type of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, and hit the like button. It really does help me out. It helps with the algorithm on YouTube so people can see my content. So I really appreciate it, but let's get into it. So if you sell on Amazon, you probably already know there's a request a review button, and you probably already know the information I'm going to share, but if you are new, you might not know this information, so I thought I would share it. A member in my group actually messaged me and I told them that there's a request a review button, and they didn't even know about it, so I thought maybe some people don't know about this automation process and it could actually benefit some new sellers. So here we go. So on Amazon, when you get an order, there's a button on that order that says request a review. So Amazon will shoot that customer an email asking them for a review on your product. So that's really helpful because reviews are huge on Amazon and they're hard to get. So this is one other option on how to get reviews. I actually have other videos on how to get reviews different ways if you want to check out my other videos. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to automate that button. So instead of going to each order, clicking on that button and then requesting a review, I'm going to show you a couple different tools that will automate that whole process. I'm going to show you the one that I use. So we are going to get into my computer right now and I'm going to break down how I use the tools. And then you can decide if you want to use these tools that are completely free to help automate that request a review button. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so here we are inside of my computer and we are looking at Helium 10 Seller Assistant. This is the tool that I use to automate all my request review buttons, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But if you need a discount code for Helium 10, you can check down below. But this product itself is completely free, and all you need is Google Chrome, and it's going to install as an extension, just like their other tools like Helium 10 X-Ray. You'll see it at the top bar right here, and I'm going to click on it, and then you're going to see Helium 10 Seller Assistant, and then it's going to want to connect to your Seller Central account and go to your order page. So all you have to do is hit Visit Manage Orders, and we're going to click on that. And here we are inside of my Seller Central account, and right here is the button, and it's going to request a review from all of the orders on this page. So you could organize it like 50 on a page, 100 on a page, and then hit this one button, and it's going to go through each order and request a review. Now keep in mind, Amazon only lets you send a review in a certain time frame. So if it can't send a review, it's going to say that it can't send it, and it's just going to move to the next order and get through the whole page. So all you do is just hit this one button right here. So now it's going to go through all the orders and request a review on this page, and then if you want to go to the next page, all you do is scroll down to the bottom, go to like page 4, because those are older orders. You could do it up to 30 days old. So these are like 2 or 3 weeks old, and you could see that I already requested a review. It tells you right here, request sent, and then that's all you have to do. So you just have to hit that one button. It's going to go to each order on that page and send them an email that says, hey, do you want to leave a review for this product? And that's a good way to get more reviews because, as I said, reviews are almost the most important thing on Amazon. They're hard to come across, so hopefully this one button can help automate the whole process. Now there's other tools out there that are free. One of them that I see in a lot of the FBA Facebook groups, which again, if you're not in my FBA Facebook group, you should join below. I have over 2,000 other FBA sellers and students in there, and it's really helpful. But here's another tool that a lot of other sellers recommend. Now it's Seller App. Now I've never used this tool because I always use Helium 10, but there's other tools out there that even automate it more, and they could actually schedule those buttons so you don't have to go in there and hit that one button. You could just set it and forget it. Now I never used any other tools except for Helium 10, so I'm not going to get into any of the other ones that I've seen, but this is another popular request review tool by Seller App. You've probably heard of them, but that is it for this video. Again, it's Seller Assistant by Helium 10, and that's how you could automate your request review button. So hopefully you like this video. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay updated for the new content that I will be uploading every week. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.